The Overland Truck Store is unlike any used car dealership in the world. It's founded by Overland Enthusiasts with a passion for unique, adventure-ready vehicles. Not only do they host a free breakfast, car meet, and trail run for a growing community of overlanders in the Pacific Northwest, but they also specialize in selling pre-owned, off-road capable vehicles. If you're interested in an all-wheel drive or off-road capable vehicle, you're not going to find a better inventory anywhere else. These guys specialize in sourcing the most popular vehicles in the overland category. Some of the vehicles come pre-built, some of them you can buy used and have them built by the Overland Truck Store Garage using parts that you select from their showroom. This means you're in your dream car or truck sooner and you're hitting the trails faster with the help of the Overland Truck Store. Whether you're looking to buy a truck, you want to test it out on the trail, or you just want to show it off, I highly suggest you check out the Overland Truck Store. It's a whole lot of fun. You're invited to come out. If you have a rig like this, it doesn't have to be overly built, it doesn't have to be crazy, just come enjoy this area. It's a ton of fun.